Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Edcafe here to walk you through creating a college help desk chatbot. You can use this to guide prospective students through applications and admission steps, help with registration, enrollment, and course selection, answer questions on scholarships, financial aid, and payment plans, or to connect students with academic advisors or mental health counselors. So there are so many different ways to use this, but let's go ahead and create a general one that helps with a mix of everything that I just mentioned. So in our prompt, we can type out that the AI chatbot is going to be an admission student services assistant and help to answer those student questions only from the provided sources that we're going to add in as knowledge. So let's go ahead and create that. So in our knowledge section here, we can add in all of those resources. So this could be on application questions, financial aid, you name it, otherwise, or preparing for registration and courses, things like that. So we can add in our knowledge. So if you have any PDF files or Word documents that you want to add in, you can do that. So I have some different documents on, the Common Core or Common Application to apply if students have questions about applications, also a campus resource guide, and then on financial aid as well. So we can open all those up here. And then we can also add in a video. So if there's any videos that your school has, you can also copy that in. And then lastly, we can add in some text. So if you have any text that you want to copy and paste, you can do that here. So I have some information on getting waitlisted. So we can just add in our waitlist info here. And let's go ahead and just put that in. And now we have a whole bunch of knowledge for the chatbot to refer to. So this all knowledge will use some of AI's general knowledge, or you can just use those files only. So let's make sure we click that. And then we can go back in and read through our instructions, that prompt that we have for our chatbot. So of course you can go through and edit and adjust this as needed, but maybe let's go ahead and change up some of the prompt assistant work here. So if we want it to be a little bit more specific, like for anything involving those appeals or verification, make sure to hand off to the correct office with those hours and the contact, so that way students know where to go. And then we can also have it read those knowledge files. Then we can refine this. Lastly, let's just check out that greeting message just to make sure. Maybe let's go ahead and remove these other options. So how can I help? Then we can go ahead and save it and get to exploring. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at how our chatbot is performing. So from here, we can just add in a name, and then we can add in some different questions to see how ours is doing. So we have, how do I join waitlist for a full class here? And it should be able to read that waitlist information that we put in, and it gives us that correct info. Let's try one more question. So this one doesn't have any information on those admission requirements for freshmen, just because we didn't add in that info. So it is reading those that information and not hallucinating anything as well. So you guys are free to test this out using the test it out down here. That way, if you need to make any edits or adjustments, you can do so with that edit button here before sharing it with students. But once you have shared it, you can also go ahead and review those responses just like always. So you can see your students, those engagement levels, a quick AI summary, and then go through and review their chats as well. So this chatbot can help to streamline your student support by providing that instant 24/7 answers to a wide range of student inquiries. So as long as you add in that info, the information can be shared with students to not only help them, but also to alleviate some workload from the staff. So try this out and let us know what you think.